What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every day. Today's video is brought to you by our sponsor, Ihab, the marketplace and community app built for car, bike, and truck people. Post photos and videos, buy, sell, bid, and link up at real car meets near you. Download Ihab or hit ihab.com in the link in our description.
Hey!
What?
Put your fucking leg.
Where, left or right?
Right, turn around. Go, right, go.
Yo. I told you we need.
It's gonna keep on coming off, Eduardo.
I told you we needed to tighten it, bro. Yes, sir.
It's already on the way. It's not working. Turn off the bikes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
your lucky day, bro. You
Yes, sir.
might be able to pull that off all the other time.
Bro, we're going home, man.
No, you're not. Not today, bro. Today.
Yo, put your leg, man. Let's go.
Let's go.
Push it a little bit. Push it. Push your leg.
Wait.
Go, make a right. Make a right. Turn right. Make another right.
Where?
Put your feet.
There's a cup. There's a cup right there.
Put your fucking feet.
Go.
Units are right behind you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Takes it over. Right behind you. Yes, sir.
Go ahead and call your friend. Tell him to come back.
You're not gonna come back, sir. And you're going to jail.
Your friend? Listen to me. Call him.
I have
don't
video.
call him right now.
I have video of them popping wheelies on the
Alright,
street.
no.
I got this guy.
Me?
Oh, I got video of you. Yeah, and you got it on the GoPro too.
Listen. Try one attempt for him to come back.
Sir, I'm being responsible. I don't have anything, sir. I promise you.
I don't know.
Oh, sorry. That's my wallet, sir. There's nothing else, sir. I promise you. All there is.
Right.
Right here. There's
Stop
a.
talking. Listen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then to come back.
Here's the deal. Where's your driver's license?
Yes, sir.
Why you guys doing this crazy stuff, man? Why you guys doing this crazy stuff? Putting people's lives at risk, man. it open?
What?
Unopen it, man?
Oh, that's not a storage. This one, the whole thing comes out. The only storage I have is this, and what I have in here is to fix pop tires. Is to fix pop tires.
There they go again. Is that him?
No, that's not.
It's another red one just like this.
Okay.
Is he coming after us? He's right behind us. Yes. Make sure you go to the left.
Run.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the Moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.